Hi kids! Today we will learn more about our sky and the heavenly bodies. So let's start. The sun is the biggest heavenly body we see in our sky. The sun is actually a star, but it's very, very close to Earth as compared to stars we see at night. So it seems so much bigger than the stars. It is actually the nearest star to Earth, and we call it sun. It is a big ball of gases. It gives us heat and light. We should never look at the sun directly, as it can harm our delicate eyes. Many heavenly bodies revolve around the sun, and they are called planets. Our Earth is one of those planets. Also, some heavenly bodies revolve around the planets, and they are called moons. Sun, planets, and their moons together are called solar system. Let's learn it again. Sun, planets, and their moons together are called solar system. Now let's learn about solar systems. There are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Let's learn their names in order of their position from the sun. Mercury, which is the first or nearest. Then Venus, then Earth, our planet on which we live. It is the 3rd planet. Then comes Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and Neptune. In the last, which is farthest from the sun. They all revolve around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. So, orbit is a fixed path on which a planet revolves. Each planet has its own orbit. Like Mercury, will move only on this orbit. Venus will move only on this orbit. Likewise, all planets move in their fixed paths called orbits. They never move out of their path. Now let's see what are satellites or moons of other planets. Heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets are called satellites or moons of that planet. Like heavenly body that revolve around the Earth is called moon or the natural satellite of the Earth. Planets and moons do not have their own light. They shine when the light of the sun falls on them. Only the sun and stars have their own light. Planets and moons do not have their own light. Now let's learn about each planet one by one. Mercury. It's the first planet from the sun, so it's closest to the sun. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Venus. It is the 2nd planet. It is the brightest and the hottest planet. Kids, so Mercury is the closest to the sun, but Venus is the hottest planet, not Mercury. Earth. It is the 3rd planet from the sun. It is the planet we live on, and it's a unique planet, as it's the only planet with life on it. It is called the blue planet, because 1/3 of the surface of Earth is covered with water. Mars, it's the 4th planet from the sun. It is a rocky planet. It looks red, so it is also called the red planet. Jupiter, it's the 5th planet. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn, it is the 6th planet from the sun. It is second biggest after Jupiter. It has bright colored rings around it. Uranus, it is the 7th planet. It is very cold as it's very far from the sun. It also has rings around it. Neptune, it is the 8th planet from the sun, so it's the farthest and coldest planet. So kids, today we learned about the sky and the heavenly bodies we see in the sky. Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.